everyone. So today I'm going to try the peach palette. Right now what I have on my lips, I figured I'd just show you, is the peach lip scrub. So it's like all over my, this is really a scrub. Oh my goodness. Tastes a little bit like peach. It's the BYS peach palette. Oh, you gotta go light with that. That thing, like, just, it took off some of my foundation. Oh man. Yeah, it does taste a little bit like peach. And this is all BYS. The BYS lip oil peach. It's weird. Do you see? It's got like those like silver metallic thingies. Okay. Kind of weird. Okay. I always do that before my makeup, and let me tell you, by the end of my makeup, my lips absorb all that oil. Alright, let's get a little closer so that we could work on the eyes. So I have the BYS peach palette, and this comes with everything. I showed you this last year when I got it. It comes with everything. But this is why I don't like to swatch the glitter, because it's like almost gone already. That glitter. So this comes with, it looks like 16 eyeshadows. This is a highlight, this is a frosty highlight, regular highlight, contour, blush, 3 lip products. So you get, and then you, no, it's 3, 6, 12 eyeshadows and 4 glitters, sorry. So, okay. I want to do like I think a darkish look today. So I think I'm going to use this eyeshadow. It's like a frosty brown. I have primer but not a base, and let's see how this turns out. I don't know what's going to happen. If it doesn't apply well, then I know that next time I definitely need to use a base, but I just want to see how this works without a base. Okay. That's nice. It's the darkest frosty brown. And then I want to go in with this darkest color right here, darkest brown, for the contour. Okay, not bad. I'm trying not to put too much of that dark brown. I'm not looking for it to be too intense. I'm playing around. I think I'm gonna go in with that middle color right there, that matte beige, for the highlight brow bone color. Actually, now that I'm digging into it, I am noticing it does have a sheen to it. Oh, it's definitely a frosty color. It looks matte. Look at that. I'll say this much. Their frosty colors are very pigmented, but I think I need to go in more with this brown. Give it some more oomph with that matte brown. And bring it up to blend it with that brow bone color. I just concentrated the brown on the outside. I don't want it to be too dark as it goes in. Okay. So let's do the cheek. Brush is kind of big. Alright, we're going in with the only blush in the palette, which is this one right here. Ooh, I picked up a lot. I'm using my Wet n Wild Pro brushes. I think that's what they call them, the Pro brushes. And okay. We like. And I'm gonna mix the gold and the light color because I really don't want that gold, a lot of that gold. So I'm gonna mix both the highlighters together. Well, that gold still really shines through. I'm just showing you how this applies. I'm gonna have to clean my makeup and everything, you know, put the mascara and all of that. But I just wanted to show you. Let's see how this applies. Okay. This is how I do my bronzer on my double chin and on my nose. But I'm just, you know, doing it on camera so you could see. So I want to go in with this. Just lightly put it on my eyes. It doesn't really show that much. Could be that I used a lot of it when I was trying to do the swatch. But yeah, it's not really doing much. So anyway, let me finish my makeup, clean up, and I'll be back to do the lips. I had a little bit of trouble when I started using that. I'm gonna use the light one since I did like a deep eye, a very dark eye from NYX. And wow, that's light. So anyway, let's just leave it like that. I was gonna put more, but that is super light. So I was trying to make the gel stand out. So I took, as you can see, it hits pan very easily. So I took more and I did both of my eyes with them. And then of course all that creasing started happening. You started removing the eyeshadow. It was going up into the crease. And I couldn't, that dark brown was not fixing it. I had to put black in there from my 120 palette. Then it came out too black, so I kept trying to fix it with the brown. And yeah, those gel glitters are crap. And then reluctantly I put my Eye Safe bronze glitter to try and stop all the creasing. I added some more eyeshadow and I think it finally, I'm not sure, well no, I still see creasing, but it helped a lot. And then I used this gold in the corner right here for my inner corners. And then I put that dark brown underneath. I have a tiny bit left of my Urban Decay dark brown. I forgot the name of it because I'm freaking out. I'm going to tell you why in a sec. So I put it on underneath, then I put that dark brown over it, and then I just cleaned it up. Now, the reason this deserves fake lashes. But the reason I didn't put the fake lashes is because as I was doing my makeup, and I will show you a close-up, I don't know if I did this myself in the middle of the night, you know, because you can see my nails are pretty long now. I don't know, maybe I scratched my eye, I don't know, but I didn't notice this when I woke up. I just noticed it when I was putting on my eyeshadow. When I opened my eye, there is right next to the iris is a little like blood spot, like they say it's a broken blood vessel. And they say as long as it doesn't hurt and your vision isn't impaired, then you shouldn't be worried. So I don't know. I'm freaking out. So that is freaking me out, man. And so I was reluctant to put on glitter. It's an eye safe glitter. But, you know, so I just, you know, dabbed in it and dabbed it on my eye, and you could still see the creasing, but you could see the glitter. I just lightly dabbed it, and I was scared to do that, but it's like, it's eye safe. It's finally, very finely, you know, made. I should be okay. Just be careful. Don't put a lot. Normally, I would put a lot. I mean, my eyes would be, you know, in the light blinding you. And I didn't. And I was like, you know what? I don't think I want to mess with lashes. With the glue's always getting in my eye. I don't want to touch it. I want to, you know, wait till Friday when I see my doctor, and then take it from there. My nerves. It's like only me. And when I take my pictures, you'll see it. And it's like a little bit of, you know, like it looks like a busted blood vessel in my eye. That only happened to me once before when I poked myself with a straw, and that was painful. So anyway, if it starts to get worse, I'm going to the emergency room, and I'm gonna I have eye antibiotics. I'm gonna use that too. Anyway, if you know anything about this, please let me know down in the comments. So that is it for now. So, you know, I'm going to next week I have like different palettes in there, so next week I'll try out one of the other palettes. So I'll probably do maybe 3 to 4 looks with this, with these peach palettes. I was dying to do it since last year. Thank you to I Love Dawson's Creek, who lives in Australia and was able to ship them to me, because they don't ship nail polish overseas. So thank you, I Love Dawson's Creek. And so yeah, so yeah, I think peach is a nice, soft, fun, natural looks with these. So anyway, I'll do a different look with that. And so yeah, I will see you next week, hopefully. Alright, I love you. Mwah.